Good morning, Barbie here. It's week 2 of Hasta La Vista. I just wanted to jump on and give you a little video message. So week 2 is all about circles and curves. So I've got my circles and curves all prepped for the week. Well, not all of them, as many as I think that I'll get stitched this week. So I'll just show you what I've done. So I've cut background squares. I've cut some low volume. I'm doing low volume background squares with color. They're 5 inches cut. It's the same as a charm pack, so you can also use your charm pack. So I've got some cut. I've also got some circles ready. I'm going to needle turn applique my circles, so I'm going to mark a circle on the top with my silver gel pen, and then I'm going to needle turn it. However, if you would prefer, and I've got some here, so here's a background for another one, and I've also done the cheap method, needle turn applique, oh, excuse me, using the cardboard. So I'll also link the video how you can do that, because that circle now is ready to go onto that background, and I'll just need to use the needle turn applique stitch, but not actually have to needle turn it as I go around. So that's I suppose like a cheat method, but it gives you exactly the same outcome as needle turn applique. So I'll link a video that I showed my Patreon how I do that for those that want to do it that way. But for me, because I do find it easier and like less preparation, I'm just going to do needle turn. So I've got my circle that's got a rough 1/4 inch already cut around the outside. I'm going to mark my silver gel pen line here. When I do my seam allowance for circles, I don't do a full 1/4 inch seam allowance. So it doesn't really matter in the first stage. What I do though is I trim it back to like about a scant 1/4 inch before I start stitching. And the other thing that I do before I start stitching, I go around and I just finger press where my stitching line is, so you can see a finger press line, and that way when I'm doing needle turn applique, it sort of has a memory and it allows me to turn it under. For needle turn applique, to get a really nice curve, we have a scant 1/4 inch. We don't try to tuck under too much as we're sewing, like lots of little stitches. So they're actually lots of little straight stitches will make a really beautiful curved line. So don't try to have it too big a seam allowance. Don't try to fold or tuck under too much as you go. Just tuck under a little bit, stitch that, tuck under a little bit more, and you'll start to develop a really beautiful curve. But once again, I will attach a video for you. So if you do want to, this is like making a Suffolk puff. You stitch around the edge of the fabric, you draw it up over cardboard, and then then you can iron it and press it, pop the cardboard out and put it on your square. For those people that have, now I've got them here, just bear with me for a minute. Like I said, I'm working from dear Hazel's studio today, so I had to pack up and bring it in here, the stuff from the home studio. So if you've got my Hasta La Vista template set, there is the circles in here, and with these circles you can also do the cardboard method, and you can still iron it. So the mylar is heat resistant, so you can also do that. But the link in the video will show you how to do them just with your basic cardboard. So you can just use like your cereal boxes, your biscuit boxes and things like that. That works well too. So I'll tag you in some resources. I'll also jump on this week and show you how I do needle turn applique. So I'll even, actually, I've got a little video in my Patreon that I've already done for needle turn applique that I'd be really happy to share with those that are doing the Hasta La Vista. So I'll also share that with you as well. So have a great week. I'm really excited for week 2, circles and curves. It's my favorite bit of the quilt. Oh, one more thing. I go from one thing to another. Sorry. One more thing. You need 99 squares and you need 99 circles. However, if you're going to put Hasta La Vista or any other text on your quilt, count up how many letters that is, because you won't be doing circles for those blocks. So if you have a verse that has 15 letters, you'll do 99 minus 15 for your circles, etc. So Hasta La Vista, you can use that on your quilt, but I know that some of you are also going to do your own verse. So just count up how many letters, how many blocks you need for your lettering, and then minus that off your 99 circles. So enjoy the week, and I really hope to see some of your circles also. And just before I go, I did draw week 2. It was Shani for the giveaway. It was really great to see so many participating in the giveaway side of the Hasta La Vista. I'll be putting up again today what this week's giveaway is going to be, that's drawn on the first day of week 3. And when you share, you'll go in that drawer as well. The prizes are great. Orifil threads have been really wonderful. So I've had some really nice Orifil threads, but I also have some other tools, patterns and fabrics as well as the giveaways go along. So have a great week, and I'll touch base with you in Instagram and on Facebook. Bye.